today topic is basic principle of crop production. Basic principle of crop production में आप first देखेंगे यहाँ पे आप write down लिखिए इसको important points में. यहाँ हम पहले देखेंगे crop and crop production. Crop and crop production. Crop and crop production. The next is climate for crop growth. Climate for crop growth. And the third topic is crop production system. Weed management, nutrient management, dryland agriculture. So this topic cover particular the basic principle of crop production. So the first is the question analysis. This type of question come particular this topic, and this topic is a general agriculture topic particular for the GRF examination. This is a basic principle of crop production, and particular this is belongs to this criteria. The first is the crop. It means this type of question particular in that section is termed the crop related. It means sometime the institute this is related to which crop institute. One question is 2017 examination. The one is IIRI IIRR, Indian Institute of Rice Research. This institute related to the Indian Institute, and this is located to Hyderabad. This is GRF 2017 question paper, social science. So general agriculture wise particular in cover particular this topic. The climate, it means suppose that the season wise. Basically which crop is not belongs to a Kharif season. So your option is Kharif season crop. It means which crop is not Kharif season crop. So the option is first is castor, mustard, linseed, and all of this. So this type is a basic question come particular the general agriculture GRF examination, and this is a plant science section is general agriculture. So this is mentioned is not which crop is not in growing particular in a Kharif season crop. So this is Rabi crop. This is Rabi season oilseed crop, and this three is belongs to oilseed crop. So your answer is castor. The crop production system particular it means sometime the cropping system. It means what do you mean by cropping system, and what is the definition of particular the sequential cropping. आपसे इसका डायरेक्टली डेफिनेशन पूछा हुआ है. दिस डेफिनेशन डायरेक्टली कम इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन. द क्रॉपिंग सिस्टम मे बी अकॉर्डिंग टू रीजन वाइज और गैंगेटिक प्लेन वाइज. So the sequential cropping and the comparison is very important for the relief cropping. So we have seen in other classes, and weed management, the most common question in a weed management is a herbicide, and this herbicide is related to trade name. This is the one question come particular the most of the topic, and most of the time this question is come. It means butachlor. Butachlor is a herbicide, and this herbicide, the trade name is very common, Mitchell. And this is again 2017 JRF examination question. Then nutrient management is a separate topic. It is just related, the mention the role of the nitrogen and NPK and the deficiency symptom is separately particular the GRF examination. This topic come under the basic principle of crop production, but sometimes this is a separate topic. So this question is mainly in SR particular the GRF General Agriculture Social Science 2017. This question is single superphosphate is a source of. So single superphosphate is a source of. आपका ऑप्शन था, your option is calcium, sulfur, calcium, magnesium, and both A and B, none of this. So your answer is calcium and sulfur. So this is this question is particular in a JRF General Agriculture section Social Science. So dry land agriculture nutrient management, one is a deficiency question come under the nutrient management. It means soil fertility and role of the function. The deficiency symptoms is hand chicken. Hand chicken in particular which crop? So your answer is grapes. Due to deficiency of this is a physiological disorder. The dry land agriculture, the basic question come, what is the differences in between the rain-fed agriculture? One question is this type, and the next is the one is institute. CREDA. This CREDA institute is located in Hyderabad. So this is this part particular the whole section. This is one section, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. This is the analysis question particular the separate topic. It means the separately I will particular the crop and crop production particular it is just related to the agronomy section. The topic is start in